Always moving cars. It's good. We got the billboard. What's up, y'all? It's Andrew. We are here on top of the Porsche La Marzocco pop-up cafe. Boom. One of those projects where we got to just take everything that Race Service does already and combine it with Porsche and La Marzocco, two brands we love. We'll go downstairs, we'll show it to you. Let's go check out the cafe.
So they're tearing down the walls right now because we're getting coffee. Good job, Anthony.
Oh, kind of fun.
Okay guys.
Okay guys.
That coffee shop.
Like how many years have we talked about this?
It's day something. You're good, man. That's Zach. Oh. We're just hanging out. Let's get the day started. This is the cafe with no one in it. What's up, George? Hey guys. I'm tired, y'all. I don't know who's gonna edit this. I'm actually tired. Anyway, boom. Tyler's Targa. Okay, we should probably explain what this is. Porsche and La Marzocco made a collab Micra machine. That was the whole point of this cafe, is so you could come and like touch and feel and see all of the details that make this collab special. This drip tray is like centimeter for centimeter the grill of a GT3. These are supposed to be little tires. All too often you see these collabs online and you don't get a chance to like physically see them and experience them. Thanks to La Marzocco, every day or two there's been a new coffee shop here at Race Service, which are like some of the best in LA.
Nerve-wracking.
Coffee community turn up, combined with Porsche community, combined with Race Service community, combined with other things that I can say, is the ultimate collaboration and synergy and other buzzwords. The thing they don't tell you about opening the gate in the morning for the shot is the sun blinds you so hard. You're like looking at the gate and you're like, yeah, this is gonna be epic, and then the sun's just like, we're doing it, Gabe.
We're doing it.
Boom. Another incredibly fun part about the pop-up, so we've been letting friends and the community come through and like try to use the machine. So look.
Big timing.
Yes.
He's gonna try it.
Yes. This is Melissa from La Marzocco Home. She is the YouTube channel. She does all the training and all that. And we're watching her in action. Look, she's teaching.
And this scale is actually connected to the machine, so it's sort of special. That's only a mini thing. All you have to do is start it and it's gonna stop it.
Pretty cool. That's us double vlogging.
I'm vlogging him and he's vlogging me.
All the details are crazy. This is all Nico's vision. Grant took those ideas and he continued to render them out.
My name is Nikolai Slater and I am the art director at Race Service.
I'm Grant Miller and I'm a graphic designer at Race Service.
For me personally, using appropriate technology is not being stuck using something from the past simply because it's the go-to product. Far too often I see people either too stuck in the future or too stuck in the past. Of using appropriate technology is about being present and using the best tools you have around you. What's up, Gegam? How you doing?
My name is Gegam. I designed and built the benches and the coffee cart.
This man held it down. Thanks, Gegam.
Yeah, everyone at Race Service came together. Personally, I was finishing up some renders just to show what the final product would look like to the client. All the details really brought it together.
These are cool too. Oh, thanks, Max. There's a small one too. Here's his coffee anyway.
I think we should definitely shout out the entire Race Service team, George, Dale.
All right, dude, this isn't this fucking Oscars. Thanks to my mom, Jesus.
Use appropriate technology.
This is a special one. Taylor, so one of the best parts of Race Service is when all of the community and network make crazy cars that didn't come to the States come to Race Service for Rise and Shine.
Whoa! That's a setup right there, folks. Holy cow.
We're vlogging right now. We're trying new things for Rise and Shine. We've placed cars in every which way you can imagine, so now we're exploring moving a bunch of shit for the sake of moving it.
Love the sun. I love this spot. This is my spot. It says Maggie here and there.
We did it, Taylor. The most epic rise and shine. I don't know about the... Well, that's insane. That's so insane. Today's rise and shine day. Well, I was about to put a seatbelt on.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Diego. We're here.
You're so good at this.
Andrew's moving the car. I'm passenger princess. I'm tired. I'm tired.
RS is at RS.
That's British George and his homie. I'm excited. Rise and shine.
Casually like sipping a coffee, and then I look and I was like, I think that's a GT3. And then I'm standing right here where you're at, and I'm like, Spider RS. Look at the details. Then Matt Long sent us his 66 that we're quietly soft revealing.
What? Every time you turn around, there's like, what?
Always moving cars. This got done like yesterday. We have the Friday happy hour coming right after the cafe closed. We're moving everything around. Yeah, I got Rod's car. Just doing the thing.
What's up, fam? Found this on the table. Got my boy Cram here. We're gonna check out some boxes. So we got Mags, Italian Lizard, soaking up the rays here. All right, so we're gonna find out what's in this box. Whose camera is this? What's 35 times 12?
420.
420. We have 420 of these glasses.
We're good at it.
George, it's the last day. Are you happy? Are you sad? How do you feel?
The last day.
The last day.
The last day for now.
For now. Oh, what comes next? We shall see. It's like, I just want to walk around and look at it all. It's pretty cool. Look at that line of people just making coffees. That's so fun. I'm gonna miss this car here so much. The realest of real ones, on bar himself with Jamie. So good. Oh, the hidden billboard. The plants kind of died. That was sad. We got that billboard. So good. Yeah, that's the cafe. We did it. Feels good. Okay, last thing, then I'm going home. Had to put the base game in at least one. Low-key, would've worked, would've worked. Not upset about it. Just saying. Could've worked. Bye, cafe.
I'm just gonna drive it off, so let's go. Can I call you back?
Yeah.
Sansa.
Apparently we're promoting violence now.